Well, I'm getting better. I turned the light on first. Hi, folks. Thanks for stopping by. It's a nice day here in the fall. Still been in the 80s every day, down in the 50s at night. Well, like the other video, I'd gotten her running, but a few things, I'm putting the new bar up front. So I did take this, somebody put like a rubber hose over all these. And so I just got to go through. It's like they poured K-Rose syrup down inside the rubber hose. It's like they were trying to embalm, or like it was a mummy or something. Or they're planning on going underwater with this wiring. But it only was in the rubber hose itself. I don't know where, oh, there I put it. Yeah, the whole thing was just full of this stuff. And I barely get it off. So I'll put it back inside some type of covering. But yeah, I gotta, because there's this wire which was broken. There's a wire that actually just was hot all the time. I have to figure out why. Is that normal? I've got to look on the schematic. Was the hot wire all the time hot up there? This is the one that is switched. And this one comes from the switch. Hot switch, power. Goes up to the button. Button goes down to the relay. Where's Mr. Relay? There's Mr. Relay. Down to the relay on number 3. It's supposed to be gray. It's, what was it? I don't know. So I'll try and get the color code the best I can. Yeah, there's that stuff. It was like all over. I mean, I cleaned it off with brake cleaner. Just so I don't stick to everything. But I started, Kay's making an excellent supper, and I guess she's going to try and cook beets. We'll see. I mean, I like trying different things. I was never much for beets as a kid. She found a good recipe, so we'll see. I'll eat them, some stuff is, kind of out of my realm, but yep, anyway, that's that stuff. I don't know. But it's just it's always interesting, and I don't try not to complain, or, whoever had it before had an idea. They did something. It's not my idea. I try and get it back to stock as possible, even kind of behind the veil. So we'll get rid of these connectors here, and, just try and come right back to here if possible. But at least she runs again, kickstarts. I got the shorter Kickstarter on there. The other one is for like in the 80s. I see why they put it. I mean, I weigh like 130 pounds. 130? No, 139, somewhere in there. And so, yeah, if I had like 20 extra pounds, this thing, no problem. I got to put my, jump. You don't want to jump. You just follow down all the way through. Don't let your foot, don't hit it. Just follow it all the way down, all the way to the bottom. Otherwise, it would, I don't know. Sportsters are more prone to kick you, but this is pretty good. Yeah, I kind of like it. I mean, I like it a lot. It's, being a stock motor, it's so much smoother than that one there with that stroker motor. This is more sedate. And the clutch works, to me, the clutch works better with the 4-speed than that 5-speed Sputh transmission. I mean, it's smoother and everything. Only one thing, and maybe you guys got, and I don't know if I can show you, experts out there, because I'm not. Well, the rod for the clutch, the rod for the clutch, right there. When you pull it in, it almost bumps into the tube, the down tube here, almost. And I've adjusted this, and I understand that, you know, it's supposed to be an inch away or something from the starter. But it's when you pull it in, it doesn't touch, just about, but it's adjusted fine. You know, it's like the bar should come back further, but I can't do it now. Maybe something's worn out in here. I don't know. But yeah, I adjusted up. And this has a different kind of adjustment. It seems like, you know, I guess the more you would push into here, the more the arm would come this way. But it just does this normal adjustment, and then I adjust it for like about a turn out. Because I don't like it to engage real close here. I like to be a little closer into here where it halfway, not so right here. It's still a little sloppy, but I just got it set real quick now. But anybody has any ideas? Thank you very much. I'll catch you later. And have a great day and a great week. See you later from Indiana. Bye-bye.